I saw a video made by John Heisz in which he made a shim jig, and I liked it, so I decided to make one. And these are the 3 pieces of wood that I need to make the jig. And I added a handle, which you don't really need, but I liked it, so I added it. And since I have a handle, my base piece is not as wide as the original. This is 3.5 inches here. The original was 5 inches, which is good, but when you have a handle, it doesn't have to be as wide. And then this is the cutout that's shim shaped right here. And just like John did, I cut that out on the bandsaw. Here's the jig all put together. There's the wedge piece, the shim piece. This is the guard handle. I put a link to John's YouTube video in the description so you can see where the idea came from. So you can see the shim-shaped cutout that's here underneath the guard. And the first thing you do when you're going to cut some shims is you set the fence, and you set it so that you can get this base piece as close to that blade as you can without actually touching the blade. And then you set the height of the blade a little bit taller than this stock that I'm going to cut the shims out of. You don't want to set it too high or you'll cut deeply into the guard. So we'll go ahead and cut some shims. There they are.